Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to fix your Messenger ringtone not working problem on your Android device. And now let's dive right in. Now to fix your Messenger ringtone not working problem on your Android device, we can take a few steps and let's dive right in. To now do that, just open up your Messenger app on your phone. Now in order to proceed to solve or fix that problem, simply tap on the three line icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap over there guys, and when this panel appears guys at the top right corner of the panel, not the screen but the panel, you can see there is a settings icon available for us. Tap on that settings, and over here, after landing on the settings side of the messenger, scroll down to the bottom of the screen until you can spot the notifications and sound settings under the preferences. You can see guys, there is the notifications and sounds. Tap on notifications and sounds guys, and over here check if either of these buttons are turned off like this. If it's turned off, none of the messengers or sounds will be getting through to you through the phone. And remember to tap it on and turn all of these on your phone, so that any of the notification sounds are available, not just your ringtone, because it's connected to these. And with that being said, after checking the in-app settings of the messenger and turning on all of these notifications and sound settings, you can see the customized notification button available for us just below the ringtone. Tap on that customized notifications, and this is the settings side of the sound for messenger on your phone. And also do make sure to uh, tog- turn on all of the toggle icon relating to the sound. Just for example, the Sony notifications, this one is an important toggle icon to be turned on, so that messenger will give a sound when any notifications popped out on our phone. So let's turn it on and check either your messenger app on your phone is on alert or silent. If it's on silent, you won't be getting any sounds. Turn it back to alert, and you can see app approved sounds is over here. We need to do many things over here. We can do it from the app itself, and there is the vibration setting, you can see. And after doing this guys, after turning all of these buttons on except the ignore do not disturb button, we can turn it, leave it to off, and your sound will be pretty much, I think, will be fixed. But if it's not fixed, still you are, after going all of this process, there is still problem coming in, or you're not getting the sounds or notifications or ringtone from the messenger, try reinstalling the app or restarting your device. That may solve many of the errors that are causing on your phone by the messenger. It will clear some of the memories and some of the lags on their service side, and from the fresh start, there will be some improvement, I guess. But if not guys, there might be a problem with your hardware. You can go to your near shop or the service center of your phone to check that out, what's up with your phone. And if there's a problem with your hardware guys, there's not a problem with your software. And through the in the app settings, I've shown you now how you can fix or the ringtone not coming problem out of a messenger. And with that being said guys, this is how you fix a messenger ringtone not coming on your problem, or fix your sound problem, messenger ringtone problem on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.